This is BentheEVguy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
Yo, this is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we're going to focus on the Chargeport Dent cover. So how it works is that this particular piece, 3D printed, goes into the seam. And it actually inserts into this opening, both the top and the bottom. What it does is that it allows the tension to be in place so that it prevents it from further extending. For some reason, it's super easy to extend further back, and with enough impact, it can create a dent right here in this area. But with the additional tension, it should help prevent it. Now, is it going to happen easily? No, it takes some force. It takes someone running into it. If you have kids, you know how that works. Or some clumsy instances. 9 out of 10 times it will never happen. But with this, it's just an added layer of protection. I actually sell this piece, so if you're interested, just reach out to me directly. Happy holidays. And we're gonna give some away.